Welcome back to yet another video in this upgrade series. This should be the last video, and I say should because I'm still not sure whether I want to do a steering servo upgrade or go to the 540 motor, because this is the 390, and I'm still unsure of that. So this could be the last video in this series. In this video, the wheels are going back on, but not these wheels. These wheels. I got these wheels from GearBest, and I'll put a link in the description below. But I thought these wheels and tires were pretty cool and pretty cheap, actually. They were only $20. One thing you'll notice with these wheels is they're slightly larger than the stock wheels, which is good, because if you're looking for more ground clearance, and I know I was, if you're looking for more ground clearance, then these wheels would be perfect. And you also don't have to worry about hex nut, because the hex nut size for both wheels is exactly the same. So you can use these on the stock hex nuts. I did pick this wheel and tire combination because I love the design of the wheel, but I also like the aggressiveness of the tire. Most tires that you see for these A959 upgrades, they're more like a street tire. I wanted something that was grippy, so this is a pretty aggressive tread versus the tread that comes on the stock one. They come foam filled. So this wheel and tire combination does not come glued. You can use tire glue, but tire glue is nothing more than crazy glue. Once all the wheels and tires are mounted, I'm going to adjust these pull rods here so I can get a straight alignment, and to adjust the camber. I want them to be straight up and down, and then a straight alignment. And then after all that, we're going to put the body, the wing, and the nose back on so this thing can start looking like a car. So here we go. There it is. I must say I am very happy with it because it looks pretty awesome. Like I said earlier, I'm not sure if I'm going to be done with this. I might want to upgrade the steering servo and then also upgrade to the 540 motor, but I will be taking this out and bashing it around, and I'll just make a video of this. I must say it is noticeably heavier, but I do like the bigger wheels because it does give it a lot more ground clearance, and that was an issue before. Same with the soft suspension. It was doing a lot of chassis slaps when you drop it, and now it doesn't even slap the chassis anymore. One modification to the body that I might have to do is I might have to cut here a little bit, because it does appear that when I turn, the tire does hit the body. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button right over here. Hit me with a like if you're loving the way that this thing turned out. But thanks for watching this upgrade build of this ready to run RC.